Lumen5 is your secret weapon for easy video creation. It's perfect for beginners. You don't need fancy equipment or editing skills. Lumen5 helps you turn ideas into amazing videos. Think of it like a digital toolbox. You get templates, music, and images. Everything you need in one place. This makes creating professional-looking videos a breeze. Ready to share your message with the world? Lumen5 helps you create content for YouTube, social media, and more. It's time to wow your audience with stunning visuals. Let's dive into creating your first video. Start by choosing a template that fits your style. Lumen5 has options for every message. Next, add your text. This could be a blog post, script, or even just bullet points. Lumen5 magically transforms your words into video scenes. Now it's time to add personality. Choose from a library of music and images, or upload your own to make it extra unique. Finally, preview and edit. Lumen5 makes it easy to adjust timing, add transitions, and perfect your video. Hit publish and share it with the world. Want to make videos that truly stand out? Start with a bang. Your opening moments are crucial for grabbing attention. Use a hook that makes viewers curious. Keep it concise and engaging. People have short attention spans. Deliver your message quickly and use visuals that pop. Don't forget a call to action. Tell viewers what you want them to do after watching. Like, comment, subscribe, be clear and direct. Most importantly, be yourself. Let your personality shine through. Authenticity is what draws viewers in and keeps them coming back for more. Ready to turn your video skills into profit? There are tons of ways to monetize your Lumen5 creations. First up, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and use your videos to drive traffic to their websites. You'll earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. Another option is sponsored content. Partner with brands to create videos that promote their products or services. This is a great way to earn income directly from your content. You can also use your videos to grow your own business. Showcase your expertise, generate leads, and drive sales with engaging video content. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, tips, and tricks.